Right, fuse box number 1.
So how are you feeling, Ash?
Fine.
Because you had the, what, did you think you had the coronavirus last week?
Oh yeah, I was dying.
And what's your take on the whole coronavirus, COVID-19 thing?
Drink more.
Apparently alcohol does kill the virus.
I'm in then. I'm in like Flynn.
I know you've been self-embalming for quite a few years. Haven't you?
Vauxhall Cresta PC estate conversion by Dormobile. What have we done to it? Engine out, new clutch, painted all the engine, tidied up the engine bay. Just had a complete respray. I had to take the front wings off because what they've done is cut them here and then just put the new wings on top of where the old wings were.
Okay.
So I had to take the new wings back off, get rid of all the material underneath because they just didn't line up anywhere. Repaired the inner wheel arches, repaired the sills, repaired the bottoms of the doors, repaired the rear wheel arches, cleaned all the interior up. Can't get the clips for these, so I've got to stick those on. It said new carpets, all the doors cleaned, and bits and pieces. Retrimmed all the back, that's all obviously got to be put back in properly. Got new rear window rubbers we've had to have made out of silicone extrusions, which I'll hopefully be here in a few days. So the bumpers re-chromed, got to do the wheels yet. Got the rear carpet cut, but I'm just finishing off the back lights and putting the rear bumper on. Rear carpet's got to be edged. Done the tailgate. This is fiberglass, so it was never ever going to fit brilliantly by any way or form, but it looks quite nice when the bumper's on it. It'll be okay. Just got all the lights working this morning. Can't get the windscreen wipers working. Never seen bulbs like that. They're proper weird. Right. Engine was good on it. Like I say, we put a new clutch in it just while it was out. New radiator hoses, new fan belts. Put power steering on it. We've done a video on that, didn't we? Swapping the power steering from one to the other.
Yes, yeah, from the Viscount.
Yeah. So that's been done. A lot of floor welding this side, which I've done. Yeah, it's just the reassembly now, getting it all back together.
Any troubles with it at all?
No, nothing major. I undersealed all the floors before all the back went in.
Because it's been here quite a long time, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's just been sitting. I mean, Crimbo had it for ages, painting it. I mean, the biggest trouble with this will be getting these rear windows sealed and the tailgate sealed, because it's got a very high probability of leaking.
Why is the tailgate fiberglass?
Like I say, it's an estate, it's a saloon car. Like, they've chopped it off here, and that would have been your boot lid to about probably there, into a normal boot lid, but they've Dormobile made the estate section on the back. So Vauxhall never made an estate car, it was conversion by Dormobile, so hence the tailgate being fiberglass.
Okay.
Which was sort of quite in its infancy in the 60s, 50s and 60s, hence why it's built like a barn. Get it running again tomorrow, and that's about it till I get some more bits turn up.